Hello, welcome to the Kailash Institute of Technical Studies by Kailash Technology Private Limited. Myself, Arvind Panchal, CEO and founder of the Kailash Technology Private Limited. I have 15 years of experience as an IT professional and trainer. Today, we are going to learn about the LAN cables and you say always Ethernet cables. Let's begin. What is a LAN cable? So let's start. What is an Ethernet cable? A cable that connects computer, router, switches, IP, cameras and other devices, carries data as electrical signals, forms the backbone of wired networks. Topics we will cover in this video. What is Ethernet cable, which we already shows, history of Ethernet cables, types of Ethernet cables, twisted pair cables, categories, cable structures, twisted pairs, twisted pair types, shielded versus unshielded, where Ethernet cables are mostly used, Ethernet cables wire colors, Ethernet cable wiring standards, straight through cables, crossover cables, what is RJ45 connectors, RJ45 connector types, crimping tools, crimping step by steps, testing cables, how a cable look like, color code details and data flow. So let's begin. History of Ethernet cable. So the Ethernet cable was initially invented in 1973 by Robert Metcalfe. First used coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is basically the cables which we used to use in our past eras, like to connect our computer, the TV signals. If we see the TVs, it has to have a wire, the black wire, which is covered with inside the white materials, and inside it has the one single wire. Okay, so developed for LAN, local area network, later evolved to twisted pair cables, which is started from CAT 3 category 3 to category 8. Okay, coaxial cable is a old technology. Twisted pair cable most commonly used now and it's in current use. So it has multiple categories: Cat 3, the maximum 10 Mbps max speed; Cat 5, 100 Mbps max; Cat 5e, max to max 1 Gbps; Cat 6, max 1 Gbps to 10 Gbps shorter; Cat 6a, max 10 Gbps; Cat 7 and Cat 8 high speed shielded wired, which can also use for longer distance. So cable structures, the twisted pair cables. The pair means it has 4 pairs in it, 8 wires in 4 pair. Twisting reducing the interference, like when it is straight it will be causing interfere with the other wires and other signals, but when it's twisted it will not interfere. Optional shielded STP FTP for noisy area. Twisted pair wire, two types: shielded versus unshielded. As in the picture you can see UTP, unshielded twisted cable pair. You can see there is no other black material which is covering the wire, which is showing in the STP cable. So here the UTP cable, it doesn't have that extra material to cover that, but STP cable, shielded twisted pair cable, has that features. So this is the two major difference between them. Where exactly the cables used: it home, office, LAN, IP cameras, CCTV, Wi-Fi access points, access control, routers, switches, servers. For anything, if you want to connect with the internet, of course you need a LAN wire, LAN or Ethernet wire. These both are the same things, but this is the common terms: LAN wire. Ethernet cable wire colors. It has 4 pairs. Each pair has dedicated two kind of color, which is like white orange, orange, white green, green, white blue, blue, white brown and brown. This is the like color code type B. It can be also different color type as well, like color code type A, which will be leading white, green, green, white orange, orange, white blue, blue, white brown and brown. As you can see in the wire in the pictures here, it has 4 pair. So the twisted pairs, these are the twisted, and this is the spinal cord, which is the supporting area for the wire, and this is the reap cord. If you want to reap the wire, you can like rip this. Ethernet cable wiring standard. So there is commonly two wiring standard, T568A, T568B. So A will be starting with white orange and orange, white green and blue, white blue, green, white brown and brown. So the same T568A will start it white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown and brown. So here you can see straight cables through, okay, through cables, both ends am standards T568B, T568A. So basically now we are gonna see A and B, as you can see also in the pictures. So see, the T568B is used to connect different devices. Like if you want to connect PC to switch, router to switch, router to PC, this how you use it. So the crossover cables. Crossover cables, one end 568A, other end 568B. So in this crossover, mostly we will be connecting the same devices, PC to PC, router to router, switch to switch, and access point to access point. So in this case, we cannot use the same color coding both sides. Either one side you use 568A, other side you have to use 568B. In the previous you saw it how the different was 568A and B. So in this crossover, so mainly if you see the white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown and brown, but the other end you are using the different color code. It means the color number 1 it will move to color number 3 for other side, color number 2 move to color number 6 in other side. So the both end of the cable will be different. What is RJ45 connectors? This is the 8-pin plug used for twisted pair Ethernet cables. Fits LAN ports of computer, switches, router, access point, etc. It should look like this. Okay, this is could be always clear or maybe the colored one. And how it connect to the any LAN port. RJ45 types, it has two types, normal, shielded and pass-through. So like one is the normal regular, which is blocked from edge area, but the simple pass-through is the very that also known as the easy lane, which is allow you to just keep the wire out, and it is for the beginner peoples. Those who are professional, they always use the normal and shielded one, but the one is the pass through is being used by the beginner persons who don't know how to do color coding mainly, so they can adjust the wire and can use it. Tools required: crimping tools, wire stripper, cutter, lane testers, and wire cable testers, optional boot, and so many other things. As in the pictures you can see it. Crimping step by step, we cut the cable, strip out the jacket, untwist the strength wire. Like once you cut the wire, you have to unstrip it and untwist the all the wire inside. You have to bring them to the good shape, so you can put in the uh, connectors. Okay, so insert the wire into the RJ45. You insert all the 8 pins wire inside the connectors. Then you crimp it by using the crimping tools. And then by testing cables, you cable tester, you can test it. How the cables look like this is the page code in the blue colors. You can see this is the old Cat 6 wires. Okay, this is the how bundle look like. So color coding, this is the detail color codes. Here you can find full detail about how exactly the color code is working. And the data flow structures. So in the wire it is always receiving and transmitting, and somewhere the one or two pair will be extra which is unused. So mostly the which is the extra wire or unused pair, the nowadays the PO is there, power over Ethernet, like cameras, access point. This they required power to start and work. So in this case the 8 wire are being consumed, and 4 wire will be used for data, 4 wire will be used for power. So this is how it is being used. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share our and subscribe our channels, and please do let us know if you want to know about any other technology within networking. If you want us to make any another new video, we are happy to hear your comments. And thanks for watching our video, and have a good day.